also informed the country that we intensified operations on cattle theft in Rwizi region following several concerns by cattle farmers that theft of cattle had surged in those areas. We have so far, since our operations commenced, we have so far arrested 44 suspects who have been actively involved in the theft of cattle, basically in Kazo and Chiruhura districts. These operations, like I said, commenced on the 6th of October, following numerous complaints from politicians, local leaders, and the community. Out of the 44, 23 were charged to court with stealing cattle. The remaining 21 suspects are scheduled to appear in court today. And I think we believe we have the right suspects, because ever since we arrested this group of 44, there are no new serious complaints of stealing cattle that are arising out of these two districts of Kazo and Chiruhura. Some of the notorious suspects charged to court, we have Nwama Nyafred, 27, Ndiaguma Moses, 45, Sentongo Jamada, 37, Buhabwayo Dan, Rabutijiri Gerard, Byamuka Mayoro Kami, Tugume Alex, Bwambale Felix, age 32, Kwijuka Isma, 40, Kamgisha Fred Elias Vesije, 38, Sabawanuka Robert, and the list continues. But we are happy that these intelligence-led operations have yielded success. These thieves that had specialized in the use of saloon cars like Primos, and they are also using Nuas as vehicles to facilitate their loot. We have 3 motor vehicles, all Primo models, under registration number UAK028T, UAT590A, UAW 608Y. We have 2 motorcycles. In these operations, there are about carcasses of 17 cows that had already been slaughtered that were recovered. Of course, we disposed them. There's no way you could clear the meat for consumption. So, and in a separate development in Zimbabwe, we also arrested 3 suspects behind theft of cattle from Untusi. Actually, the suspects are 4, not 3. We got intelligence after they raided one of the farms of Natukunda Gloria, that is Kanuka zone in Intusi, and they got one cow that they slaughtered at around 1 p.m. in broad daylight. You know, these are thugs who are just doing things in broad daylight. So we managed to intercept them at Intusi town. We arrested Kasozi Nasa, the driver of the Toyota Wish, registration number UBN 959L, with the stolen meat from the stolen cow. The other suspects are Sechewa Morris, Seru John, and Mpoza Alex. Mpoza Alex is the ringleader of this cattle theft gang in Zimbabwe, and we got him while delivering the meat to their dealer in Nyendo called Doko. Doko is on the run, but we are trying our best to have him arrested. And then in the Sezibwa region and in Jeru, we also arrested 4 butchermen who were facilitating the theft of cattle in Njeru municipality, because they're the ones who were actively buying meat from the stolen cows.